Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine. So, dear student, physical education and sports for children with special need, Divyang, chapter 4, it is part 5. Part 5. In previous part, we discussed about the IPG International Paralympic Games. Or now, today we will discuss about opening ceremony. Opening ceremony of IPG International Paralympic Games. So it is same like Summer Olympic Games which started properly from 1920. 1920, here I am talking about Summer Olympic Game. Antwerp. So opening ceremony of International Paralympic Games, it is same like, because in 1920 the whole process of the opening ceremony like flag, that torch, all things will take place in the 1920 Antwerp Summer Olympic Games. Okay, so same process is followed by the IPG. First one, all players gathered, maybe spelling we will check, in the stadium. Okay. Second one, IPG head receive the chief guest. Then big torch, mashal, kindled by a small torch bearer. Okay, he will come in the stadium, or then he will that flame the bigger one torch which is situated in the stadium. Fourth one, alphabetically teams take position. Okay, in this flag also will be there. Okay, alphabetically teams take position in the stadium. Fifth one, after this some entertainment program take place. Then chief guest announce that IPG started, or we can say open. Then all that events take place, that means all games started. Opening ceremony of IPG, it is same like Summer Olympic game. All players gathered in the stadium. IPG had received the chief guest, big torch kindled by the torch bearer, who is the athlete, bring the torch. Alphabetically team take position in the stadium. After that some entertainment program take place and chief guest announce that games started. International Paralympic Games open with the flag also they will host. Flag hosting also take place. You are +1 class, you know the process of the what we organized last year, athletic meet. What is the process? Same process we followed like the Olympic Games. How torch we have to bring, how that torch also kindled by the chief guest, but athlete do this thing. Or then same process, some announcement will be there, some entertaining program like singers, and then game started. Category of disability. Category of disability. Categories of disability. Which type of disabled person can participate in the International Paralympic Games? Here we will discuss this. First one is any impairment, impaired passive range of movement. Passive range of movement athlete can participate. Okay, impaired passive range of movement athlete can participate. Second one, loss limbs or limbs deficiency. Person can participate. Okay, loss limbs and limbs deficiency, who is having a deficiency in the limbs, कमी है जिसके अंदर. Okay, third one, legs length difference, means if leg length difference is there, then they can participate. Leg length difference means length of the legs. If difference is there, then a athlete he can participate in the games. Fourth one, short stature, means we can say short legs, who is having, he can also participate in the game. Another one, impaired with muscle power. Impaired with muscle power. We are saying a particular name is their trophy, muscular trophy, myotrophy or something it is, that is known as impaired with muscle power, means one muscle is working properly, another that having any type of deficiency, then they can also participate in the games. in the games. If movement are unbalanced, means balanced movement are not there, any type of imbalance is there in the movements, then the person can participate in the game. One is hypertropia, means increased muscle tension. We know some are having that, like their muscles tension is more, means their automatically their hands are like this. It is not like that code ho jana, but muscle tension is more, means contraction is more, every time muscle is contracting. So they can also participate in these games. Another one that we discussed before also, intellectual disability, or another one visual also, visual disability. They can participate in the games. Intellectual disability or visual disability. So for this topic, it is the opening ceremony, or we discuss about the disability, which type of person, which type of disabled person can participate in the International Paralympic Games. Next part we will do about the Deaf Olympics. Deaf Olympic means those are having a hearing impairment. That second largest sports event after the Olympic Games, that is Deaf Olympics, or which is started from the 1924. First was held in Paris, or that 1948 that is held start from the 1948 IPG. Okay, for today, for this video this much. Take care of your health. Thank you.